Are you clear what types of questions will help motivate your buyer to take action? Based on the type of buyer you're working with, it can make a big difference. Stay tuned and I'll share with you the two buyer types. There are people in the world who tend to make decisions to take actions based on a certain type of feeling. And then there are those who make decisions to take action based on another type of feeling. Knowing the difference and then being able to understand and apply it with the person you're talking to can make a big difference in whether you make a sale or not. Let me explain a little further. Many years ago, I heard from Tony Robbins on one of his audio programs that there are people who are moving away from pain and people who are moving towards gain. What do I mean by that? Let's say that I would like to get a new car. Now I'm out in the market looking for new cars. If I'm the moving away from pain type person, the reason I'm looking for a new car is because I've been spending way too much money fixing my car lately, and it's time for a new ride. I don't want to spend another dollar at the mechanic. Or my car might be an older car that gets terrible gas mileage, and I'm sick of having to pay a lot of money for gas to drive my gas guzzler around town. Those are moving away from pain type feelings. Make sense? Moving towards gain, a little bit different. If I'm that type of person, I'm in the market for a new car. I want a new car because I'm going to look cool. I want a new car because I want people to stop and look when they're next to me at a signal and think, wow, what a nice car. I'm a little bit jealous of the driver of that car. Or I want to drive a new car that has all kinds of fancy new technology in it. I can charge my phone wirelessly and have a big screen right on my dashboard, have a heads-up display, heated and ventilated seats, a cool panoramic sunroof. All the features that are available on new cars today. I want all that. I'm excited to drive a car that has all of that. Or, said another way, I'm interested in all the safety features that will make driving a more comfortable experience with peace of mind, knowing that I'm less likely to get into trouble on the road and have a car accident because of all the safety features. Or, going back to the moving away from pain, I recently had a car accident and it was caused by the lack of safety features on my car. If I had had some of the newer features, I probably could have avoided the accident. Thank goodness I wasn't very hurt, but I don't want it to happen again. I don't want to experience the pain and difficulty of having had an accident caused by out-of-date safety features. If you were selling a car to a person who's moving away from pain, you're going to focus on that. If you're selling a car to someone who's moving towards gain, you're going to focus the conversation and questions on that. Make sense? It can really make a difference when you know why the person is in the market. And you can determine that by listening very carefully to the statements they say to your initial questions, such as, what brings you in today to look at new cars? Why are you in the market for a new car now? Has anything happened in the past that's caused you to want to get a new car? Or how would a new car make you feel? When you ask questions like that, you're going to get to the underlying sensibility of the person and what motivates them. By knowing that, then direct the conversation towards that, which will get them more motivated. You will be in alignment with them, and they'll be more likely to want to make a decision. When you make all these gain statements to a pain buyer, you're going to be disconnected and misaligned, and vice versa. So pay attention to these two buyer personas and use it to your advantage in your next sales conversation so that you establish better rapport, greater alignment, and increase motivation in your buyer to make a decision. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I seek to create new videos each week to help you be more successful in professional sales. I also like to make videos that just help you be successful overall, and I'll have some more of those coming your way this year. For now, I'd like to hear any comments that you have about how this video has been helpful to you and what you've learned about it and how you might do things differently going forward. Remember, it's about knowledge applied that makes a difference, not just knowledge for knowledge's sake. Now, if you would like to apply even more knowledge coming from me directed towards helping you be more successful, consider investing in my new sales course. There's a link to it in the description below. It's a 7-week program designed to help take you from unsure to highly confident and fully capable of doing better in your sales work this year. And it has a 45-day guarantee to ensure that nothing is at risk on your part, really, by investing in this course. Learn more about the course and consider making an investment in yourself and your future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.